Where are we going today, Marco? That's the Taal Volcano.
Taal Volcano is the only.
Did you hear
Hey
that?
everyone, welcome to DᴇsɪgNᴇR. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey building a container tiny home from scratch in beautiful Talisay, Philippines. My sister-in-law and brother-in-law wanted a space that was unique, affordable, and eco-friendly. And what better way to achieve that than with a container home? So how much does it really cost to build a tiny container home in the Philippines? Watch the whole video and you'll find out. Container homes are becoming increasingly popular for their affordability, sustainability, and quick construction time. They were determined to make it happen, so in 2023, they finally took on the project of transforming the steel box into a dream vacation home in their 600 square meter property. And with the help of these amazing local builders, it came into fruition in 23 days. The first step was prepping the container. They had to cut out windows and doors to let in light and fresh air. Then came the framing, electrical wiring, and plumbing, all the essential stuff. This unique dwelling uses recycled steel containers, giving it a modern industrial look. The metal roof of the container van is covered in solar panels and is powered by solar energy. There's also a small wind turbine on the roof, which could provide additional power. Slowly but surely, the container home started taking shape. There are also 2 water tanks on the ground next to the container van. These tanks could be used to store rainwater or water from a deep well. Deep wells are a good way to access water in remote areas where there is no municipal water supply. It's the perfect example of how smart design can maximize space and create a truly livable environment. This tiny home has everything they need: a cozy living room/bedroom, a stylish full bathroom, and even a spacious viewing deck with a hammock. This off-grid oasis also features a charming nipa hut, a traditional Filipino dwelling made from natural materials. It could be a guest cabin or a unique kitchen space. Container homes are becoming increasingly popular as they are seen as being a sustainable and affordable way to build a home. They are also relatively quick and easy to build and can be designed to be very energy efficient. It is made from 2 steel shipping containers that have been modified for off-grid living. The home has a modern design with clean lines and large windows. Have a balcony, which would provide outdoor space. It has sliding glass doors to blur the lines between the indoor and outdoor space and make the home feel more open and airy. If you are considering living in a container home, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you will need to find a reputable builder who has experience with container homes. Second, you will need to make sure that the home is properly insulated and ventilated. Third, you will need to comply with all local building codes and regulations. Overall, container homes can be a great option for people who are looking for a unique, sustainable, and affordable way to live. They can be customized to your needs and style, creating a dream home that's kind to the environment.
All done, all clean. Last covered tomorrow. Time to rest. Very clean. That's the bed tonight. Turn on the aircon later. That's the generator. That's the aircon.
It's hard to believe this little beauty used to be just a giant metal box. Well, a box and a half with a 20-foot container van covering the main living area and a 10-footer for the full-sized bathroom. And then came the fun part, adding some personality.
Satisfying.
Building this container home was an incredible experience for DᴇsɪgNᴇR.
Solar is running well.
It's a testament to the hard work and skill of the local builders and a reminder that even the smallest spaces can hold big dreams.
Nice. Very nice.
The upper deck offers
Ganda ng
that
view.
stunning views of the surrounding landscape. And did I mention Taal Lake? Oh, and Taal Volcano? What? The
views
living
there.
area is designed for relaxation and sleeping with a sofa bed. It is still a work in progress when it comes to adding their personal touches. They opted for a minimalist design with clean lines of black, white, and organic colors and materials, such as this sideboard and accent chair that I sort of helped them pick out. If you're interested in building your own tiny haven, this costs around 800,000 pesos without the solar panels. So would you? Would you? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what you think. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Ces, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the notification button. Until the next one, love and light to all. Bye.
This is the lobby.
Again, wait.
This is the lobby. And that's the view. That's the Taal Volcano in your face.